Bye, cool tower. It is volcano themed day. Don't get your hopes up. There's no eruptions happening at the moment. That the water rises higher. It's super low this year. Do you want to walk around the perimeter?
Up.
Oh, the top. Can you believe this used to be a volcano?
It's so cool. Lava will be there.
Lava was there. I'm actually sweating. Maybe it's from walking. This is the highest point to view the crater. I just love how many colors you see. Like the red is the sulfur, I think. It's so colorful. That was interesting. In the golden circle stops, you see a lot more tourists, but especially the difference between here and when I went 5 years ago, I'm seeing lots of groups of students and school trips, which is cool. Like, oh, can you guys see me? Which is super interesting and enlightening, but like it kind of takes away from the nature when I see a group of like teenage boys throwing rocks into the crater lake, when before I saw this place completely empty. I don't know, it kind of makes me like sad, but at the same time when I go to like places where I don't feel as safe, like in the cities in general, where like it cannot be as safe, and I see groups of tourists and students, I feel fine.
America è un caffè, non scuola bus. It's kind of like your school bus. Yeah, we make video podcast later.
smells so good. I don't know what spice they put on top, but this is amazing. And it's part of the Icelandic Women's Enterprises Association. It's entirely run by women.
Fatta da donne.
So I haven't had a hot dog in so long.
I want to make hot dogs like these from now on.
Right, with french fries.
Yeah.
Let's make it at home. Oh my gosh, you can see the steam coming out of it.